Some 7 years ago, there was this Filipino movie entitled Kita Kita. A love story that ended not so well, and yet filled with romance and acceptance of each other's situation until the end. Kapag isinalin po natin siya sa English, it's translated as, I saw you, kita kita. They saw each other in their first meet, and they still embrace this experience of seeing each other, even though sickness and disabilities crossed over their paths in their life. In today's gospel, my dear brothers and sisters, we heard of Jesus being followed by 2 blind men. Nakita ni Jesus ang mga bulag na ito. And as if Jesus told them, nakita ko kayo, kita kita. But he saw this as an avenue for goodness. He saw this as a way to heal them. He gave them the sight that they've been longing for, or maybe the sight that they've been crying out for. But this action of Jesus is noteworthy. It was not selfish. He didn't settle by seeing them only, but he wanted these men to see Him. Ang makita din nila si Jesus. As if, finally, these blind men can also tell Jesus, I can see you now too. Kita na din kita. And my dear brothers and sisters, this is the goodness of our Advent season. And at the same time, the goodness of God in our lives. Tiwala tayong nakikita tayo ng Diyos, pero gusto din niyang makita natin siya. The eyes of our bodies and the eyes of our hearts will be beautiful doors for Him to see this loving God whom we wait and prepare for. If God sees us, I hope it is also our desire to see Him. Kung gusto ng Diyos na makita tayo, sana tayo din gusto nating makita siya at magpabukas ng ating mga mata sa mga panahon na ito. It is very hard to celebrate Christmas with hands filled with gifts. Maybe with pockets filled with your bonus, with tummy filled with food, with heart and with memories filled with Christmas stories and gatherings, but without the eyes to look forward to see God. Baka bukas ang ilang parte ng katawan natin, but our eyes remained blind to see this loving God coming in our lives. Kung kaya po dumadating si Jesus sa araw-araw ng ating buhay, dahil nakikita niya tayong lahat sa ating mga gawain at alalahanin. Kung gusto tayong makita ng Diyos, masabi din natin sa Kanya, gusto ko ding makita kita. If Advent is a very good time to prepare for this blessed season of Christmas, may we not only settle with hearing Him or feeling Him. The Lord will open our eyes so that we can see Him and enjoy His face this blessed season we are looking forward to.